I'm going to give you a demo today on how good LRC32 is interior cleaner. You can clearly see this wheel here is, we've done a little patch up to here, and this is beautifully cleaned, and this is, well, it's just, look at that, the grime and dirt on there is just unreal. Years of grime and dirt, it's just built up over the years, just yuck. So simply LRC32 interior cleaner, spray it on like so, and then just use a soft brush like this and just agitate it in. Let the product do the work, and as you can clearly see, it's removing that years of dirt and grime and grease that's built up on there quite quickly, quite effectively, and very, very easily. A little bit there that's quite thick and stubborn, just give it a little bit of an extra brush, and then once you've done that, you're going to be able to wipe that away. But we're going to carry on going round the wheel, and you're going to see the whole wheel does require a good deep clean to get rid of all the dirt and grime that's on it. But you can certainly, you can just see there where I wiped that bit of grime on it from a nail onto it, and we're just going to now wipe that away. Look at that. That is staggering. That is absolutely unbelievable. That's some dirt and grime build up on there for sure. Just look at that. That is your hands. Talk about clean, sanitizing. You're grabbing that, you're touching your face, and then going and touching whatever else. Just think about that, guys. It's just how gross and disgusting is that? So we're just going to carry on going round. Spray it on, just keep going. The whole wheel wants doing, so we're just going to do this very, very quick little area for now, just to show you again. You can see the dirt and grime on there as we're just going around doing that. It's just, wow, yuck. So let's find another clean area of the cloth and just show you again. Nice clean area. Look at that, it really is gross. That is, oh, yuck. Disgusting. So that's it. LRC32 interior cleaner for dashboards, door cards, steering wheels. This is designed for plastics. Just remember that. It is safe on leather, but it is designed for plastic. So hop on over to the website and buy some LRC32. So we've got the majority of the wheel now cleaned up. We just got to sort of do the final sort of bits of detailing here where we just missed little bits, and give all this sort of front facings another sort of good going over and deep sort of clean on it again. So spray it all on. You can leave this if you wanted to agitate for a short period of time if you wanted to, so it gets right into the dirt and grime. Good thing with this is it's a very safe product to use on this sort of material. It's a water-based product, has great sort of foaming action and really good deep sort of cleaning actions as well. So I mean, the wheel was absolutely gross and disgusting, as you can see, but it's still bringing off so much dirt and grime, it's unbelievable. But just give it a good agitate round and get into every sort of area that you can. And behind the back of the wheel, it's very important you get behind the back of the wheel, especially if you've got a wheel where you've got like the little bubbles on the back for grip. You're going to get dirt and grime getting attached into those areas as well. All underneath. And then obviously you're going to have to give it a really good sort of dry off and wipe away and remove all the dirt and grime, and that'll obviously remove everything. So just give it a real good sort of clean. You can spray some more on if you really wanted to, but I mean the wheel was absolutely gross and disgusting. So as you can imagine, all this sort of thing you are putting in your mouth while you're driving, with touching your face, and obviously eating food and drinks and everything else. So I mean, just bear that in mind, how, especially with current circumstances with COVID and one thing and another. But I think long term, once obviously we're out of all the COVID issues and we're back to normality, whatever normality is, just remember, this is germs that you're putting in your mouth from while you're driving, while eating or whatever, and then going and shaking hands with people, and you're sharing all those germs with other people. So just bear that in mind, people, because it's very important you keep this clean. For one, it's going to make your steering wheel last a lot longer, and it's going to make the grip on your steering wheel so much better, and just improve that enjoyment of driving, because you've got a nice steering wheel with a great grip on it, which is beautiful and clean. And we've used the LRC 32 interior cleaner to clean the steering wheel on this VW van. Thank you very much.